Now here's how to translate words to algebraic expressions. Here are the list of keywords and phrases that are used to describe common mathematical operations or the algebraic expressions. In addition, we have the keywords or phrase plus, more than, the sum of, the total of, increased by, and added to. For example, a number plus 1, 5 more than a number, the sum of a number and 6, the total of 5 and a number increased by 3, and 5 added to a number. In subtraction, the keyword or phrase are less than, minus, less, the difference of, decreased by, and subtracted from. For example, a number minus 6, 5 less than a number, the difference of a number and 5, 10 less a number decreased by 7, 4 subtracted from a number. In multiplication, we have times, the product of, twice or double, multiplied by, and of. For example, 3 times a number, the product of 10 and a number, thrice a number or double a number multiplied by -1, 2/3 of a number. In division, we have the quotient of divided by and the ratio of. For example, the quotient of a number and 3, 11 divided by a number, the ratio of a number to 7. And for the exponents, we have the square of or squared and the cube of or cubed. For equality, we have equals, is the same as, yields, and amounts to. For example, 7 less than a number equals 10. 2 times a number is -5. 5 is the same as twice a number. 7 added to a number yields 5. 15 less a number amounts to 20. Now translate the following. 5 times the sum of m and n, and the sum of 5 times m and n. There are two operation words, times, which is to multiply, and sum, which is to add. Since we are multiplying 5 times the sum, we need parentheses around the sum of m and n. So that's 5 times the sum of m and n. For the second one, we are taking the sum of 5 times m and n. Now, as you have noticed, the use of parentheses changes the result. In the first part, we add first, and in the second part, we multiply first. The length of a rectangle is 5 inches less than the width. Let W represent the width of the rectangle and write an expression for the length of the rectangle. So the phrase here is 5 inches less than the width. So that's width minus 5. The width of a rectangle is 2 meters greater than the length. Let L represent the length of the rectangle and write an expression for the width of the rectangle. So that's 2 greater than the length. So that's L plus 2. Blanca has dimes and quarters in her purse. The number of dimes is 2 less than 5 times the number of quarters. Let Q represent the number of quarters and write an expression for the number of times. So first, the phrase here is 2 less than 5 times the number of quarters. So let Q represent the number of quarters, and 5 times the number, that's 5 times Q. So that's 2 less than 5Q, and 2 less than 5Q is 5q minus 2. So that's all about converting phrases into common mathematical operations or algebraic expressions.